Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first stop, you want to go ahead and open up the app. Now go to your profile right here at the bottom right, tap on it, and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Once that's done, tap on Account Center. Now go ahead and tap on your information and permissions. In here, tap on Export Your Information. Wait for the browser to load. And once it loads, tap on Create Export. Select your Instagram account. Export to device. Now go ahead and scroll down and make sure that you notify your email. Okay. Tap on Customize Information. Swipe up. Clear all. Scroll down. Clear all for personal information. Connections right here, clear all. Logged information, clear all. Security and login information, clear all. Apps, preferences, ads information. So what we're going to do is just scroll up and find messages. Okay, tap on messages right here under your Instagram activity. Okay, and once that's done, hit on save. Date range right here, be more specific. You can go to use custom or last week, last month, last year. Just going to go ahead and use last week. Tap on save. Leave the format and media quality right here and just start the export. Okay. And once that's done, we'll ask you to enter your password. So just go ahead and type down your password and hit on continue right here. And once that's done, just wait for an email from Instagram itself or Meta. Okay. And they will just give you a downloadable file, which you can go ahead and open up and read through the chat that you have made, okay, or deleted. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.